This is a 2007 Honda Pilot. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear seat DVD entertainment center, a multi-link rear suspension, alloy wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, leather seats, side curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, a keyless entry system, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Siemer Auto Center is located at 735 South Broad Street in Fremont. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.